Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Talent Shine. This is Venu sir, CEO and co-founder of Talent Shine. It's a great news for 2025 pass out students. Accenture has started its recruitment for 2025 pass outs. Already, Accenture has completed few colleges, campuses. So they are going to recruit some more students in few more colleges. So get ready to face Accenture campus drive. So here a video for you guys. So it's a very important video how to crack Accenture campus placement in 2025. It's a must watch video for you guys. Don't miss it until end. So definitely I would like to give the what is the pattern, what is the syllabus, and what you need to prepare, and how our talent share will help you to crack Accenture. I would like to give the complete details in this video. Don't miss until the end of this video. Let us start the class. So come on here. So Accenture, already I told you, it started recruiting in campus. So now Accenture is offering two roles here. One is Associate Software Engineer, that is the ASC. So its package is 4.5 lakhs package. And next one more role is Advanced Associate Software Engineer, AASC. Its package is 6.5 lakhs package. Guys, in this one, so there is no separate test for this one, Advanced Associate Software Engineer. It is purely based on your performance in their selection process. If you can perform well in all the process, throughout the process, so then you will get the 6.5 lakhs package. Otherwise, you will get 4.5 lakhs package. So based on your performance in the selection process, they can decide that offer. But my suggestion is focus on the 6.5 lakhs, give your best performance. We are ready to here to help to crack that one. Let us start. So let us start the process. So come on here. This is the Accenture selection process. It has totally 4 rounds here. First one is written test, second one is coding test, third one is communication test, and finally interview. These are the 4 rounds you need to face. And now I would like to start with the first written test. So in the written test, and one more before going to the written test, I want to tell you one more important point. Every round is elimination round only. So look at this one, written test. So written test, it has totally 90 questions here. All are MCQ questions only. So 90 questions, 90 minutes time. So and here after completion of this 90 questions, 90 minutes, immediately you will get result. So immediately you will get result. If you can qualify in this written test, then automatically coding test immediately will start. That means you must be prepared to complete both this MCQ test as well as coding test at a stretch. Be prepared like that. And come to the written test. What is the cutoff? Of course, there is no perfect confirmation from Accenture, but based on the students' feedback and other sources, so it's Accenture. They are taking a maximum cutoff only. So that means I would like to say at least try to clear more than 70% in written test. More than 70% means out of 90 questions, so you need to clear more than 63 questions. And one more interesting point is there is no negative marking here. So there is no negative mark here. So that's why that is the one of the important case here. So there is no negative mark. So better you try to score as many as possible to you guys. So better try to achieve more than 70 marks in all the sections in written test. Okay, more than 70 you can take as target here. Okay, so now come to the coding test. In this coding test, they are giving two questions, and time is 45 minutes. Time is time is 45 minutes here, and here these two coding questions, very easy, very easy. So easy to maximum moderate level only. They are not giving toughest questions. So you need to focus on coding also. But here, what you need to prepare everything, I would like to give you in the later lecture. So next, after completion of this coding test, immediately you will get the result. So that result will decide whether you can go for the third round or not. That is the communication test. So here, so you must clear both codes. That is best for you. Okay, right. Now after completion of coding test, then they will give you certain time to uh, to attend for the communication test. Okay, in the communication test, they are going to conduct in 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah, for this communication test, guys, so I would like to do one more video on this one to give the complete clarity on how many sections in communication test and how to crack it and how to prepare for it. So I would like to I would like to do one more video on this one. So better, so watch that video also later. So I would like to upload this one within 1 or 2 days after uploading this video. So no worries about it. So guys, communication test is a crucial test. But of course, most of the students thinks like it is not elimination, but really it is not elimination. But so they will take this test score also into the consideration. So while selecting you or not, or if we can select, you can get 4.5 lakhs package or 6.5. It's a crucial one. So careful about this one. Be prepared for this one and easy to clear with the high score. So next come to the final round, interview round. So interview round, it's a general interview they're asking. So maximum, I saw so many campuses. So maximum the conversion rate is there in the interview, but prepare thoroughly. I hope all of you are preparing for that. So please, same I think is sufficient to clear the Accenture interview also. Okay, guys. Right. Now let us go for the next one, written test. So I want to go in detail regarding the syllabus. I hope you know the pattern of the Accenture. Now I'm going for detailing all the syllabus. So now look at the written test pattern here. So written test has totally only one section here. They are not separating like this cognitive part or technical part. So only one section, 90 questions, 90 minutes here. But we divided this one into two parts. So we divided this one into two parts. So that is cognitive assessment, technical assessment. In the cognitive assessment, guys, so there are three more types of questions they are asking. Abstract reasoning questions, 15 questions. Of course, in cognitive, totally 50 questions they are giving. In these 50 questions, so we separated three parts. One is the abstract reasoning, 15 questions. Critical reasoning, 18 questions. English ability, 17 questions. So they are giving in this ratio. Okay. Here, most important is critical reasoning. And one more interesting point is there is no quant here. Only you need to prepare reasoning and English. That is sufficient for this cognitive section. So next come to the technical assessment. In this technical assessment, so there are three parts you need to prepare. So one is common applications and MS Office. That is 12 questions comes from this one. So I would like to elaborate this one in the later class. So next pseudocodes, 18 questions is a very important. It is key to get the success in Accenture or not. So next network and cloud. Out of this networks and cloud, you need to face 10 questions here. And finally here 90 questions, 90 minutes. 90 questions, 90 minutes. So that's a total written test part. Now I want to go individual syllabus here. So now look at the first one, abstract reasoning syllabus. Sir, what is exactly meant by abstract reasoning? What are the syllabus I need to cover? So I would like to give the clarity here. So here you need to focus much on number and letter series. Here you need to focus on number and letter series, guys. Letter series. So we can expect 3 to 4 questions from this one. 3 to 4 questions from this one. It's very easy. Number series and letter series. I hope most of the students know that. It's easy to clear this abstract reasoning. So next, odd man out. Odd man out. It's a very important topic. 2 questions minimum. 2 questions we are expecting here. So next, analogies. From this analogies topics, 2 to 3 questions. So next, coding and decoding. Coding and decoding, we are expecting 3 to 4. It's a very important section, coding and decoding. So next, one more is visual reasoning. It's a very important visual reasoning. So visual reasoning is nothing but of figures, counting figures. They are giving simple questions on counting figures. We can expect one question from the counting figures. So next, embedded figures or series figures, analogy figures. So all those things they are asking. So focus that it's four to five questions we are expecting from visual reasoning. So this is the pattern. Of course, this is the syllabus especially for abstract reasoning. So now let's go to the next part. So next part, look at this one. It's a very important part, critical reasoning. So critical reasoning and problem solving. Here you need to focus much on data arrangements here. So it's a very important. So data arrangements, it's a very important here. So data arrangement, 7 to 8 questions comes here. Sir, what is meant by data arrangement? So data arrangement is nothing but they can ask questions on puzzles, sitting arrangements, blood relations, directions, so ranking test, all those things. So based on data they can ask 7 to 8 questions out of 18 questions in this one. So next up, 2 to 3 questions we can expect from flow charts. It's a very important here. Flow chart. It's a very important flow chart. So they can give you one flow chart. Based on the flow chart, they can ask you 2 or 3 questions from this one. In some papers, they are asking 2 flow charts also. There they can get 5 questions, 4 to 5 questions like that. So next, data sufficiency is also one of the important topic here. At least 1 or 2 questions you may expect in Accenture paper. 1 or 2 questions in from the data sufficiency. Now come to the next part. Here, arguments and assumptions, syllogisms, statement and conclusions. This part completely logical deductions. From this part, we can expect overall 6 to 8 questions here. Especially from syllogisms, they are giving 2 questions minimum. Minimum 2 questions they are asking from the syllogisms topic. And from the remaining assumptions and arguments, conclusions from the remaining parts, they are asking 3-4 questions here. We can expect totally 6 to 7 questions or 8 questions here. Okay, so this is the very important syllabus in reasoning part. Of course, abstract reasoning is very easy, but critical reasoning little bit practice requires, especially flowcharts, data sufficiency, and word problems, logical deductions. So focus on this syllabus, guys. Carefully practice here. After practice, all these syllabus are also very easy to clear. Okay, easy syllabus. So you can only one thing you need to do, practice. Of course, you got the idea regarding the critical reasoning and abstract reasoning. So that is the total reasoning part. Totally from the reasoning, 30 questions. Of course, here from the English 17 questions. So 33 questions comes from reasoning only. Okay, 33 questions out of 90 questions comes from only reasoning. So careful about the reasoning. Be thorough with that one. Next, come to the English part here. So in the English part, synonyms and antonyms. So very important. You can expect directly questions from this one. So 3 to 4 questions we can expect from synonyms and antonyms. Okay, next, error detection and sentence correction. So 3 to 4 questions. 3 to 4 questions we can expect from error detection. So that is grammatical base. So next, parajumbles, 2 questions here. 1 or 2 questions we can expect, not 2 to 3. 1 or 2 they are given. So next, from reading comprehension. Without this, there is no English section in any paper. So reading comprehension is very important. It checks your reading skills and understanding skills. So careful about it. But in this Accenture paper, they are giving one passage, maximum cases. Minimum number of cases. I saw 2 questions, 2 reading comprehensions also. So, but little bit lengthy passages they are giving. Carefully read it, and if they can give you only 1 passage, they can ask 3 questions, 2 passages, 5 questions. So 3 to 5 questions we are expecting from the reading comprehension only. So next, come to the sentence completion or fill in the blanks. Little bit propositions or simple words. You need to fill these blanks. Next, sentence improvement. So they can underline one word in this, one statement or one sentence in the word, in the paragraph, and you need to identify whether it requires improvement or not. If you think like it requires improvement, then you need to check which option is suitable for this one. So that is a sentence improvement. Carefully practice. So one thing I want to say, guys, regarding the English section, most of the students are neglecting English section, but prepare once thoroughly. It gives you marks, full-fledged marks in all IT placements here. That too, that grammar is very important for your speaking skills, right? Yes or no? So that's why my request is daily spend certain time on reading. At least read daily newspapers. It enhance your skills, and daily spend certain time to improve your grammatical power or word powers like synonyms and antonyms. So you can follow all those things here. It definitely it enhance your skills. Even these skills are useful in your job. Yes, suppose if you want to talk to your client in the US, so definitely you need to interact in English only. So that skills are very important, guys. Please focus on English. So daily spend certain time. It's my suggestion only here. Okay, it's my suggestion. Please spend time in English. Right here. Now come to the pseudocodes here. So in pseudocodes, it's a very important technical point of view. So pseudocodes. So guys, these pseudocodes are very, very important. 18 questions out of 40 in technical. So 18 questions comes from these pseudocodes here. So 18 questions here from pseudocodes. Pseudocodes, if you know you are good in C language, automatically you are able to crack this pseudocode. So they are focusing on the fundamental concepts. Fundas are very important. So here they need to check your your level in data types, variables, basic input output like print scans. So that data they are first you need to focus. Next come to the looping statements. In the looping statements also it's very important, guys. Looping statements. So for loop and while loop. So you can expect few questions, at least 3-4 questions from for loop and while loop based. So next, arrays. It's a very important, guys. Very, very important. Arrays based pseudocodes regularly they are asking in Accenture paper. So next, recursion based also they are asking recursion based. Next, functions. Yeah. So functions also they are asking. So next, bitwise operators. This is very important. Bitwise operators. So bitwise operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional statements like if condition, so else if, so like that. Conditional statements based. So next, bit manipulations, also right shift, left shift bits. So these are all very very important here. So focus on this part now. So you can expect at least 2 to 3 questions from this one only. Okay, so guys, these are the pseudocodes. Practice more number of codes here. Hundreds of codes you need to practice. So practice makes man perfect. That is suitable for all, of course, especially for pseudocode also. Okay, right. Now let's go for the next one, guys. Accenture, of course, MS Office and common applications. So MS Office, I hope all of you know this. So in MS Office, we have MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, all those things. So you need to focus all those things. So Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook. Especially Excel is very, very important here. It's a very important. Focus on this one. It has some shortcuts. You need to check those shortcuts. And also, they are giving questions like they can give you one pick that has one Excel sheet with the taskbar, and they need to ask, so what is that exactly meant by like that. So careful about this. Suppose I want to multiply 2 rows there in the Excel. What I want to do, how to print this one, how to do the multiplication of row numbers at 4th row, how to do it, or columns. They can ask that kind of issues in Excel. Careful, focus more on Excel in MS Office. So next, PowerPoint and Word. They're asking questions on, but maximum questions are easy to moderate only. Easy to moderate only. So next one here. So fundamental, what are the computer applications? That is common applications here. So that is understanding the browser's fundamentals. Understanding browser fundamentals. So that is a web navigation, basic settings, even all these things are asking. So next, they're asking some shortcut keys also they're asking, like how to copy the text, Control C like that. So how to copy, how to paste it, what are the shortcuts for that? They're asking that. So next step, so knowledge and command prompt, working flow, keys, all those things. Even they're asking general questions on Internet Explorers, so emails. They're asking some general questions here. Okay, general questions. I hope you got the idea what syllabus you need to prepare for this. So this one is little bit general, and MS Office you must thorough with that. So totally 12 questions comes from this one here. Don't leave the session. Okay. Right here, so now move on to the next one. So next one, it's a networks and cloud. Both combination gives you 10 questions, but I can expect at least 6 questions from this one. 6 questions from networks. So networks are more important than cloud in Accenture paper. So they are giving maximum questions from network, minimum from cloud. So in the networks, you need to stick on to the fundas. So fundamentals are very, very important in networks. Whether you have networking as a subject or not, that is the secondary issue. So you need to thoroughly prepare this one. But already if you have subject, you can revise complete content. Otherwise, you can stick on to the fundamentals. So there, you need to focus more on security, network security, and protecting network integrity. Said confidentiality and accessibility from unauthorized access. So here, this is the important thing. They're asking questions on this part: how to protect the network. Okay, so how to give the confidentiality to the network like that. So next, encryption standards, algorithms. So these are very important. So we have AES and RSA algorithms. So they are asking question on that one. So next, network security devices like includes firewalls. They're asking. Okay, so that is VPN. They can give you even IP address also based on this one, fundas. So IP address based on that also they are asking questions. Careful about it. So attack types encompass various threats. How to encompass all the threats? You need to think. Firewall serves as a barrier between trusted internal networks and untrusted. How to do that? Okay, so all these topics are very, very important, guys. So I think if you have knowledge in the networks, my suggestion is go through entire syllabus of the networks and work on the MCQs only. Suppose if you don't have knowledge, so my suggestion is stick on to the fundamentals, work out previous Accenture questions, MCQs only. Previous Accenture MCQ questions on some questions from internet. That's enough for you. Okay, because of time. So next, come to the cloud. So come to the cloud, guys. So in this cloud, I would like to expect 4 questions from this one. 4 questions. So they are mainly asking the fundamentals again. Fundamentals of cloud computing. So cloud architecture. And next, so data centers. You need to focus on this one. So pass this one. So infrastructure as a service and platform as a service, software as a service SaaS. So they are asking questions on that one also. Careful about the cloud. Okay, so now, yeah, look at one more section, guys. That is Accenture coding. Accenture coding, it's a very important, guys. So those who cleared written test immediately, so coding section will start. It has totally 2 questions, 45 minutes time. And what you need to prepare, this is the syllabus you need to prepare. Take the screenshot of this one also. So now, so here mainly you need to focus on arrays, flow control, that is like looping statement, conditional and looping statements, mainly important. Next, functions, strings, mainly they are focusing on this area. So they are not asking much on data structures. Mainly they are focusing on the basic language only. And those questions also simple, guys, easy to moderate level only. So don't miss. Just if you have practice, especially use hacker rank. So if you are good you got 5-star rating in Hacker Rank, automatically you are able to clear these questions. So do practice in Hacker Rank. So focus on this coding. This, if you can clear 2 questions, it is boost to achieve 6.5 lakhs package. So don't miss it here. Focus on each and every part in the selection process. Careful. And one more interesting and important point, what I observed from most of the students is, so those students who are taking, who are coding in Python, so they are facing some little bit indentation errors. So careful about that. So those who are using Python to code all these codes, so careful, all these programs, so careful about this. So please focus on indentation errors, careful about it. That's a very important point. You must be careful about this coding. So I hope you got the idea regarding complete written test pattern and syllabus, coding pattern, syllabus. I hope you got the idea regarding 2 sections in the selection process. So next, move on to the next one, that is the communication assessment. For that purpose, I would like to do one more video on that one. Definitely that video can boost you to score more in communication test. I would like to give the complete clarity on all the sections and each section, how many questions, what they are asking. I would like to give the clarity on that one. So that will be my next video on Accenture. Don't miss that video also. And guys, one more information from our talent shine. So we are ready. We are ready to give the best preparation, plan, strategy, and complete content for you. So we already completed online training for Accenture, and we are ready to give that complete training to you in online in our portal. Our portal is talentshineindia.com. You can go to there. So their complete Accenture online training is available for you. And even the same training you can access in our Talentshine app. So recently we launched Talentshine app also. Go to the Play Store. Otherwise, you can. We want to give that link in the description part of this video also. So you can go to the Play Store, or you can take that link and you can download our Talentshine mobile app to watch all the content of Accenture in your mobile also. So there we covered 60 plus hours, 60 plus hours of total content that related to the entire thing. Abstract reasoning we covered all the critical reasoning, English, all the complete technical part, coding part also we covered. So you can watch complete 60 plus hours of the content. And next, we gave complete practice. Most of the practice questions which are similar to the previous Accenture questions only, we gave that one. So you can practice from our portal 60 plus codes, tests we gave for your practice purpose. So we designed our section wise test like complete. Like suppose you can take technical pseudocodes. Pseudocodes actually in our Accenture 18 codes comes there. In our tests also 18 codes, 18 minutes we give. Suppose you can take abstract reasoning. So in our abstract reasoning, 15 questions comes there. So 15 questions, 15 minutes we gave. So we gave 10 tests in every section, subsection, what I said to you earlier. Okay, total 60 plus tests we gave for your practice purpose. You can complete all the 60 tests and then come to the full length mock test. So full length mock test, we designed 6 full length mock tests which are absolutely similar to the Accenture. And one more interesting point is here guys, after completion of every test, every mock test, we gave complete solutions, not solutions, explanation videos also. Solutions as well as explanation video also. So we gave it to you. So after completion of take first test and watch that explanation video, you will get knowledge as well as you will get where you did mistakes and rectify it, and then go to the second mock test, again do the same. Definitely after completion of 6 mock tests, You can take 7th mock test as your final Accenture test. Definitely you are able to go, clear Accenture with the highest marks. Okay. So in that way, we design complete training, guys. We design complete training. Okay. So already, so those students who took our training, especially in the online directly, so they almost all the students got placed in Accenture. So that's confidence we have in our course. So please go and watch that course here. So next, come to what is our study plan in the by using our Talent course. So you can enroll the course and preparation orientation session. This is the orientation session I am giving to you. So watch all the Accenture classes, then take subject based tests. So after that, take practice Accenture previous coding questions. So even coding questions also we go practice. 50 plus codes we gave to you for your practice purpose. So use this. These are all almost maximum similar questions like previous Accenture codes. And after completion of all these things, start mock tests. And after every mock test, so watch explanation video. And so next, finally, so communication round. Of course, for the communication round also, we are giving some more videos. We are adding few more videos in our Accenture course. Shortly, you can watch that videos and finally attend your written test. Next step. So next, after written test, definitely you will get cleared. So next, watch how to crack interview. So this one also we want to do one more video and face final interview. You will get Accenture offer. Target is not 4.5, it's 6.5. That's our target. Focus. So we are trying to give the best, take that best and try to give your best for preparation. Automatically you will get success. Don't worry, past is past. Leave all those things. So if you anything is comes to you, give any company comes to your campus, give your best preparation, guys. So, and preparation is the only way to crack the campus placement. Okay, now, so guys, what is our online platform? Of course, it's a talentshineindia.com, and of course, there is a link is there in the description. Please download Talent Shine mobile app, and this is a training fee 499. Don't worry, so we are not giving the right now for 499. So we are offering you 50% off on this course. 50% off. Use Talent Shine 50 code. Talent Shine 50 code. You can use it. So you can, you'll get 50%. That means totally 250 rupees, 249 or 250 rupees will get it here. So it's nominal fees, right? 250 rupees. So for any doubts, you can simply contact us with these numbers. Okay. So contact us or you can mail us. So whatever the means, you can contact us. Okay. So guys, our main target is your success. Our main target is your success. So I hope you're all definitely will get success. Yeah, guys, Talentian wish you all the best for your Accenture preparation. So, guys, so we are ready to give the best. We already recorded all those videos, and we are giving the best content. Utilize our services. Crack Accenture in your campus. Don't miss any job. Definitely, this preparation gives you the boost to other IT placements also. So we wish you all the best for your success in Accenture and other placements. So for that, only preparation is the only way. And for that preparation, our training definitely helps you and boost like a catalyst. Okay. So we wish you all the best once again and requesting once again all my dear students, please like, share, subscribe Talent Shine YouTube channel and definitely please follow us in Talent Shine Instagram page, that is Talent Shine underscore media, as well as please join our Telegram group, that is Talent Shine. So there you can get updates regarding the current notifications. So already we posted so recent Google notification, that is links, all those things. So please kindly join Talent Shine Telegram group also. So Talent Shine wish you all the best, all success in your career. When you are signing off for the session, meet you in the next session. Bye bye.